Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset here with the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, for that you have to off the phone first. And the way I want to show you is the way also if you have a freeze software, because you can make a factory data reset also with the buttons. So the phone has to be turned off. And then you will need the power button and the volume up button. And if the phone is turned off, you just have to press the power button and the volume up button until you see the Redmi logo. And then you will leave it and you will see this menu here. You cannot touch it, by the way. You can just navigate with the buttons. Use the volume down key to go down, the volume up key to go up. And to confirm, we will need the power button for. Okay, so if we want to make the hard reset, we have just to go here on wipe data. So go down now with the volume down key just one time. Okay, and now we have to confirm it with the power button. So then he's asking, of course, if we're really sure, because we will remove everything on the phone, like all our data and so on. So we would have the phone then as brand new if you want. So as we have bought it, and so just confirm now, wipe all data. Press again the power button. So then he's asking you again if you're really sure what you're doing. Yes, we are. So just go down here with the volume down key to confirm it, and now press again the power button to confirm. So now he's doing the factory data reset. Yes, it is going very fast, but we have to reboot it after. I will show you the next step. First of all, we have to go back to the main menu. So just confirm it with the power button. So now we are back in the main menu. And now we need to reboot the phone. So if it's marked blue here, then just confirm with the power button and say yes, reboot to system. So, and now it will take a long time, maybe like 5 or maybe up to 10 minutes. But then, as I said, you have it like as you have bought it brand new, and you have to enter your Google email address and so on and so on. So you can give it to another person. Yeah, by the way, very important is if you want to give it to another person, that you remove the Google account first. So I will give you an instruction in the description how you can remove the Google account first, because if you leave the Google account, the new owner cannot set up the phone like as you want to do. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment. Or also, if you have a question about, you can leave me a comment or give me a thumbs up if you really like this video. If I could help you with it, it would be really a pleasure. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in or me, just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. Thank you so much, and maybe until next time. Ciao.